Alright, I think I figured out how to fix the Apple Vision Pro biggest problem for most people, and all you really need is this. Let me explain. So I've been using the Apple Vision Pro for I think about 5 months now, and it's been amazing. I haven't had many issues or maybe any issues at all with the Vision Pro, but there have been some complaints regarding the Vision Pro. I didn't mention some of them in earlier videos, but today we're going to be talking more so about the hardware. Since I've been using the Vision Pro, I've been rocking the solo knit, and that's pretty much it. So I didn't use the dual knit band and only been rocking this beauty. So I think this is the best way to use the Apple Vision Pro because it's very easy to put on, very easy to take off, and it does seem pretty cool with the technology behind the solo knit. But here's the thing, it's not the most comfortable band. For me, it's pretty much great. I don't really have an issue with the solo knit. I've been able to use it for over 2 hours. There are some times where I feel like the solo knit is just not cutting it, and sometimes I gotta take off the Apple Vision Pro for a little break. Now I found an accessory that fixes that issue. A lot of people do complain about the tightness or the fit of the Apple Vision Pro. And that might just come down to having a good light seal. So a lot of people don't have the perfect light seal for the Apple Vision Pro, but this accessory works with the light seal, improves the fit and comfortability with the light seal, but you can also use it without the light seal. I'll talk more about that later on in the video. So the accessory is called the Annapro from Annapro, and it's a little band that you put on top of the little stems on the side of the Apple Vision Pro. The band goes on top of your forehead that takes a lot of the pressure from the face of the Apple Vision Pro. So as you know, the Apple Vision Pro has 100% or 90% of the weight in front of your face and nothing in the back to really counterbalance that weight. With this comfort band, it actually helps a lot. The head strap helps a lot with diffusing the weight between your head. From the image that you see on the box here, it does look like it's intended to use with the light seal, but let's put it on and show you guys exactly how it works. All right, so first things first, before I actually put it on, I want to show you guys the design. And there's a lot that I like about the design of this strap. First thing about the design is that it matches perfectly or almost perfectly with the original design of the Vision Pro. So as you can see, the stems here on the side are same color, not necessarily same material, but same color and same feel of the actual head strap. So it matches and blends in a lot better than a lot of different head straps that I've seen online. And I do think that it does fit the minimal aesthetic. Obviously, if you really want it to be minimal, you just wouldn't have the head strap at all. If you want to have the most minimal head strap, but also give you that comfort feel, this is the best one because again, it looks like it's part of the Apple Vision ecosystem, but it's not necessarily officially part of it. Obviously, it's a third-party accessory, so you will have that third-party accessory feel. So it's an A+ for the design for me. All right, so next up, I want to talk about how comfortable they actually are. So with this headset or with this head strap over here, it does relieve a lot of the heaviness from the headset. But again, I didn't really have that much of an issue with it before the head strap, but now it changes everything. So like I said before, I could manage over 2 hours of using the Apple Vision Pro before I get tired and need a break. But now with this, I can do it for almost 5, 6, 7 hours. The first day I had this, I was able to use the Vision Pro for 4 hours straight without any breaks. And that changed my mind of needing the head strap because before that, I didn't really think I needed it. I mean, I would just take a few breaks here and there, but now I really don't think I need a break. I could probably live in the Apple Vision Pro forever. But yes, and that's with the light seal. So with the light seal, it makes it a lot easier and makes it less heavier. So you can walk around and use it a lot. But using this head strap without the light seal is a game changer. All right, so now I have this head strap, but without the light seal. And let me tell you, when you're using the Apple Vision Pro without the light seal and this head strap, it literally feels like glasses because the Vision Pro is like floating in front of your face. It can rest a little bit on your nose, but the weight is completely removed. And as you can see from the profile, you can see that there's a large gap between the Vision Pro and me, but it doesn't really break the immersion as much as I thought. I can watch a movie with it and not really break the immersion that much. Obviously, it is a lot better if you're fully immersed to have the light seal, but if you're using this in mixed reality and you want to use it for a longer period of time, And maybe if you want to use it outside in public, this might be the best way to do it, especially with this hot summer. Having the light still just makes it a lot hotter. But with this being fully breathable, this just changes the game. The only issue that I have is that I'm not sure if you're supposed to use it without the light seal, because the head strap is resting on the side stems here and it could put a lot of weight on it. So I don't know if that's going to break it. But I've been using it like that and it's been very, very cool. I just wouldn't recommend to use it 24/7 just because I don't know how well it will hold up, because this side might break, but I don't know if that's the case. But again, using this without the light seal is a game changer. Very easy to put on, very easy to take off, and it is very, very comfortable. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about in regards with the head strap is the price. So when I got this, it was roughly $60 Canadian. Right now, if I look back on Amazon, it's $68. So it did increase since the last time I bought it. So is it worth the price? They do have other solutions for the weight of the Apple Vision Pro out there, but the difference with this one compared to the other ones is very much the design. Because not only is the design very, very minimal and it matches very well the Apple Vision Pro design, the ease of use as well is another factor, because you don't have to take off the stems to put this on. You don't have to do any other thing to put this on. All you have to do is take out the solo knit and then you can put the head strap on. The fact that it's easy to put on and that it matches the Apple Vision Pro aesthetic, to me, this makes this a no-brainer. So yes, this price is 100% worth it. But for you, if you're someone that doesn't care about the design and doesn't care about the ease of use of putting it on and off, then maybe this isn't the best one for you. Maybe you should get a cheaper one that does what you want, but doesn't look as good and isn't as easy to take on and off. And I know what you might be thinking. Why would I want to take it on and off if I'm just going to keep it on and use it because it's very, very comfortable? I'll get to that again later on in the video, but yeah, putting this strap on is very easy and the design matches the Apple Vision Pro aesthetic. So for me, the price is 100% worth it. You can't save yourself maybe 10 or 15 bucks with other ones, but if you really want to have it match the Vision Pro aesthetic and be easy to put on, this is the one to get for now. All right, so I did mention that you might want to take this off and on maybe more than you think. And yeah, some people might be confused. You just want to put it on and use it this way forever and make this part of the actual Vision Pro. But here's the thing. If you have an original Apple case or even a third-party case, it won't accommodate for the higher volume that you get with a strap like this. So you might want to take this out when you're going to be traveling, because your cases might not fit the new head strap that you're putting onto the Vision Pro. The fact that this is very much easy to remove makes it another no-brainer for me. It's just something that needs to be addressed. You do want to make sure that whatever you're getting as an accessory doesn't hinder your experience with the Apple Vision Pro. And this being able to be removed and put on very easily is a key factor for me, because I have the original Apple Vision Pro case and this will not fit that Apple Vision Pro case. No matter how I twist it, turn it, it won't fit. So I will have to be taking this off whenever I'm traveling and putting it back on when I need to use it. So one more complaint that I have with this head strap, it's not a huge complaint, but it's something that they can actually fix, and people that actually buy this can probably get it fixed. It's this little padding over here. So this head strap comes with a leather padding, which helps to reduce the actual weight of the headset, but also helps with the comfort of the head strap. The only issue I have with this is that it's leather and it's not breathable. So when it gets hot, you can see the sweat being collected over here. I would have preferred maybe a breathable option, like a cloth option. I kind of understand why they didn't go with that, because if you have sweat on that, it could make it look ugly, but it's cleanable, so that wouldn't be a problem for me. This just gets annoying when you see all the sweat on it, and it's get hot, very, very hot, because it's black leather on your forehead. Yeah, this probably isn't the best material, especially during the summer right now. So I would suggest for them to maybe come out with another option to have a cloth option. And it's something that you can buy separately because it's easy to remove. So you can easily buy one and just put a new one in there. So yeah, I would say that getting a new head strap padding, maybe make it a breathable material, will help this headset tremendously and make it probably the 100% best, undeniable best Apple Vision Pro accessories so far. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my experience with the Annapro head strap. I've only been using it for about 5 to 6 days now, and it's amazing. So yeah, I 100% recommend it. I will leave a link to their website in the description, and the Amazon purchase store in the description as well. So you can actually buy it for yourself if you actually enjoy it. But again, there are other options that I'll also leave in the link if I find any more. I'll leave in the description. You guys can go down there and shop around and look around for the best head strap. But I was really looking for one that's very minimal, easy to put on and off, and just does the job very well. And this does exactly what I'm looking for. So yeah, I 100% recommend this product. Let me know in the comments if there's other products that I should recommend. If there's other actual improvements that they should make, leave it in the comments. I will be sending them this video so they can watch it themselves if they have some things that they have to improve, or if there's some things that they know that they're doing probably well so they can keep going. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys on another video. Peace.